Hey guys, this is Abhishek here and welcome to my channel 24/7 Tech. Today in this video, I'll show you how to get 33% off on every Swiggy order. If we go to the official Swiggy app, I have already used my main mobile number to sign up once. So every Swiggy order, the first order from Swiggy officially, you get 33% off, but that is limited once per device. So once you're installing the app using your main contact number, the app will know your IMEI number. So what happens the next time, let's say if you're using another contact number to sign up again, let's say I have taken up a random contact number with a random email address. Let's say if I try to sign up here, I will get this message: multiple accounts detected on this device. So you're not able to use another contact number to get 33% off again. So what you need to do is you just need to go to the Chrome browser, go to incognito mode, and there you go to swiggy.com and sign up there. So let's say if I click on login, let's say, so here at the login there is no sign up page separately. So here at the login page, if you're already a customer, you will be able to log in. Let's say if you're not a customer, let's say if I use any random contact number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, some random contact number I have used, and if I continue, it'll show me the option to register. Okay, let's say I fill up the details here, and I put a password, and I click on create account. So here you can see now it's asking me to verify my contact number. I mean, on the app, when we were signing up, it showed us this message: multiple accounts detected, and we were not able to get 33% off. But if we use the Chrome browser, if we use the incognito mode on Chrome browser, I think the Swiggy app doesn't have access to the IMEI number of your mobile. So this way, I mean, every time you want to order from Swiggy, you can get 33% off. Of course, like for your first order, you need to apply the code, which is Swiggy 33, and you can use different contact numbers of yours, your parents. Yeah. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, do give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to this channel.